wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something.
Hey guys, welcome to another night routine video. This one is just going to be the most, I tell you, I can't even say average, just like regular schmegular video, y'all. I'm just bringing you along with me as I work from home and then just kind of enjoy the rest of my night during this nice little social distancing slash quarantine deal. Yeah, so I'm right now just kind of trying to wrap it all up, honey. As you guys know, I'm an accountant full time, so I've been working from home since March 17th, I think. And yeah, I am tired. So yeah, it's good to be working from home, but after work I just go ahead and go to my room and read a little bit of the word. I've been trying to do this as much as possible. I have not done this every day. I've slipped quite a few days, honestly, but it's still good to be sure to try to get God in and talk to him and just be one with him.
Run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground, I'm rising.
So the day that I am recording this is Wednesday, and what I've been doing on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is kind of getting out and enjoying the air a little bit and taking a walk around the neighborhood. So what I'm wearing today is this shirt that I got from, I think, Target. It's just a regular V-neck black t-shirt. And then these pants that I've gotten from Fabletics are so comfortable, honestly, just amazed. And the shoes, as you guys know, are from DSW. They're the Nike shoes. You guys can shop all of my stuff on the Reward Style app. I'll have a link to follow me on the Reward Style app in the description. Thank you to everyone that actually goes through my links and makes purchases, because it really does help my small business grow. But yeah, this entire outfit was comfortable. I love the fact that the Fabletics pants had pockets on both sides. It makes it very easy for me to just carry my stuff while I am walking, but not being burdened with the stuff. So yeah, I am about to enjoy this day, honey.
I wanna be free.
Y'all, so lately I have been doing some conditioning, some kind of refreshments for my muscles, I guess, because I'm trying to wake up my body and get in a little bit better shape so that I can start working out again like I used to. So I'm doing some squats and lunges, calf raises, arm exercises and whatnot, so you guys can watch that and enjoy. And if you guys want me to do a little video on what I have been doing to try to get back into shape, let me know. And yeah, you'll see me dance from time to time, honey, because that's how I try to get myself back together. But yeah, go ahead and enjoy.
Well, I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will to take you to a place you've never been.
So after all of that, it is time to go ahead and take a shower, wash off all that outside before I just relax and enjoy the rest of my night. I have been using Dove, y'all. It's actually, I've been using it for years. It's the only thing that can keep me from feeling like a man when I get out the shower, squeaky. It can still moisturize my skin. I use that in my exfoliating gloves over there, the little blue ones. And it has really been helping my skin feel so good, especially with this new lotion that I'm gonna show y'all I've been using for a little bit. And I brought it up on my Instagram, and honey, everybody had so many comments about how they have been so dry lately, especially in some areas where it is still cool. But I have been using this Dove body cream. It's actually in the same, come on camera, it's actually in the same fragrance as my shower gel, which I really wasn't trying to do that, but it feels thin. I didn't think it was going to be as thin as it is. It's not that thin, but I thought it was going to be like really, really thick and heavy. But it has been making me feel like a fluffy goddess. I'm not gonna lie. It's really cute. Like, this isn't sponsored, by the way. I've just been using it for like 4 consecutive days straight, and it has really helped me feel so good and soft. It's nothing like being plus size soft woman. So yeah, I'm gonna just, you know, lotion myself up like I've been doing. And who else hasn't been shaving, honey, because you've been in the house? Me? Just me? So being able to work from home has made it so easy for me to transition from working for my day job into working for my side hustle, which is YouTube and reward style and Instagram and all of that. It's a blessing and a curse because it allows me to have a little bit more time working, but then it's a curse in that I'm working all the time. So I really don't have a lot of balance still. I'm trying it out, guys, but thank you so much for supporting me, especially you guys that purchase through my affiliate links. It costs you nothing and you still are working with me. And yeah, I thank you so much for just being so awesome and supporting my small business. But honey, it is now, I think, 11 o'clock during this time, and I'm just now eating. So I got me a little plate of wings, boo, and I'm gonna pour me a nice little cup of Crystal Light and get it in. You hear me?
Trying to figure out, wonder if you're ever coming down, ever coming down. Look at me the way you do.
Since I decided to eat at the crack of dawn anyway, honey, by the time I got finished, it was time to shut it down. So that is what I'm doing, shutting down the house so that I can get ready to rest my mind and do it all over again in the morning. This is in the middle of close, so I had such a hard day, but now I'm about to rest my soul. So thank you guys so much for supporting my small business. And if you guys want to follow me on Reward Style, I'll have the link below. Reward Style is basically a platform that we go to shop from our favorite content creators, and they have all kinds of exclusive sales and things like that. Basically, you're shopping through affiliate links, and it helps the creator keep their business going and just create amazing content for you consistently. So yeah, if you guys want to follow me there, I'll have the link below, and I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys again next week. Bye.
Figure out, wonder if you're ever coming down.